Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Introducing myself, I am Mohammad Ashikur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. So, my dear students, today you will learn about HTML formatting tag. I will show you in details. So, let's have a look. So, my dear students, today you will learn about formatting tag of HTML. So, we have different types of formatting tag. So, let's have a see. First of all, this one is B tag, B for bold, then I tag, this one is italic, underline, tail, here you can see different types of formatting tag. So, first one is B tag. We use here B tag for bold. When we use to bold any text, we need this type of tag. Here second one you can see I tag, I for italic, then third one you can see this one is U tag, U for underline, fourth one, this one is delete. When you need any text to delete, then use this tail tag. Okay, and last fifth one, this one is sup, SUP, that means superscript, and last one is subscript. Okay, so we will see in details how to use bold tag, how to use italic, underline, subscript, and also delete tag. Okay, so let's see. So, my dear students, you can see output. Here you can see ICT class in bold format. So, we have to show this output exactly like this. Okay, so how to write HTML code? You have already learned about basic structure of HTML. So, to show this output, let's write in how to write HTML code. So, first of all, you have to write HTML, then body, and here body close and HTML close. Okay, so this is our structure to write HTML, but here we have to show this result. So, how to write? We have to write inside the body portion. Here you can see here is a gap between body open and body close. Here body is opening tag, and here front slash, with front slash you can see this one is closing tag. So, here we have to write ICT class, but we need bold tag. You know about bold tag, so you have to use B tag, right? So, just write B, this one is opening tag, bold tag, then ICT class, and we have to close the bold tag. So, you have to write like this. Okay, so if you write this type of line, like starting with B tag, then text, and then output, text from the question, we have to show this output. That's why I wrote here ICT class. So, my dear students, let's see our next output. Here you can see ICT class, and here we can see underline also. Okay, so how to show the output? We have to use underline tag. So, what is the tag of underline? Underline tag is U, correct? Your tag is U tag. So, you have to use U tag here for underline that output. So, our text is ICT class Okay, ICT class, and now we have to close the tag. So what will be our close tag? Our close tag is front slash with u tag. Here u is opening tag, and here you can see this one is closing tag. So I think this one is clear. You can see another output here. See here ICT class, but it's deleted, text is deleted. Okay, so how to show this output in HTML? So we have to write the HTML code, and we have to use delete tag, right? Del tag. You can use here del tag to delete any text. So write again here del tag, use del tag, and then ICT class, again write ICT class, and now we have to close the del tag. I think it's very easy, right? So just first line, second line, and third and fourth line same, but you have to change inside the middle portion of body. Okay, body you can just change here to show the output. So my dear students, you can see another example. This one is another output. To show the output, we have to write the HTML code. So see here ICT class deleted also, and also you can see underline. So we have combination formatting tag. Also we used here del tag and also used underline tag. See, so how to write this type of combinational formatting tag? Just simple, very simple. Just write first of all you can write you can use del tag first one, then use underline also. You have to write u tag. Okay, so here you can see I used here del tag and also u tag. Okay, then just write the text. Our text is ICT class, and then we have to close the tag. First one is del tag and second one is u tag. So just close the tag. So see here I am closing u tag and also closing del tag. Okay, so this is the way to write combinational any types of formatting tag. You can use here u tag, also I tag, b tag, and also we can use different types of combination formatting tag. Okay, so students, you can see another example, milestone in italic format. So how to write this type of format, and we have to show the output in italic format. So you have to know about how to write italic format. So we have to use here I tag for italic. So how to write? Simple, you have to use I tag, then write milestone normal way. Don't need to write here italic format, just normal milestone. Okay, just milestone, and then we have to close the I tag. Simple, very simple. Just write this type, you can show the output. So my dear student, you can see another output here. We are using here a square, a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2, that means b square. So we have to show the output. How to show? But you have to know, first of all you have to know how to use power in HTML tag. So we know about superscript, right? We know about superscript for power. We can use superscript, but we don't use superscript. We have to use tag. For superscript you have to use sup tag, sup tag, and we have to close the sup tag. Okay, so we will use here, first of all write a, okay, a normal position, then see here a to the power 2, that means it's a power 2. Then you have to write here sup. Okay, write here sup, then 2, and then again close our sup tag. So 2 is power position, then we have to change the position. Now we have to write that plus, that's why we close the sup tag, then write plus here. Don't need to use any special tag, just normal plus. You can use here plus, minus, bracket, don't need any tag. Then our text b then again b to the power 2. So again write b also here, then 2 is power position, so write sup 2, then close the sup tag. Okay, so if you write this, it's correct format to use any superscript, or you can say we can use power, how to use power in HTML format. So my dear students, you can see another example. Output here, we use here a base position 2 plus b base position 2. Okay, so here 2 is the base position. So let's see how to write, how to show the output. But before starting our HTML tag, you have to know the tag. To use subscript here. Okay, subscript, but in HTML tag you have to use sub tag, sub for subscript, and then close the tag. This one is opening tag and this one is closing tag, you know it. Okay, so now right here normal a, then yes, right here you have to write sub, very good, and then write 2 and then sub close, then plus. Okay, fine, very good. Then write b, then write again sub. Why? Because after b we can see here 2 is base format, so for base 2 you have to write sub and then again 2 and then close the tag. Okay, my dear students, I think this one is very easy for you. Now you can write any base or any power superscript, and for base you can use subscript, isn't it? Okay, so my dear students, hope you have understood my today's video class. If you have any problem, then ask me or ask your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.